Alright, here's a random video that completely different to my other ones about the pool. So this is a pool we bought from Bunnings. So the width of that is 3.66. It's 1.22 high. So technically you don't need a fence around, only the ladder. We fenced the whole thing off, I'll show you that later. So it's just been filled, we're still cycling the pool. You see the water's running. There's a skimmer. So it comes with a skimmer, which is really cool. So this is from Bunnings. It cost us $1,399. I plumbed it completely different. It doesn't come with any of this plumbing. It comes with a skimmer, as you can see. It comes with an outlet, which is that part there, or inlet, sorry. But I did all this. I bought all the pipe from Bunnings, and I used a 75 square foot cartridge and a 0.75 horsepower pool pump. So the reason I did that is because I want to cycle this water a lot. To be quite honest with you, it's not like it's a pool pump. I know I can't really describe. I mean, you can see the water moving around there. It's probably about 8-10 inches under water level. That you can see the inlet there. So water level would be about there. So you know that's a good 8 inches then. It's got a lot of water flow compared to the original. But I just want to show you this. So this is the pump I'm using, and I'll just zoom that in for you. So you see how that's got there? 366 watts. So that's what it's supposed to burn, right? Well, I've got a watt meter here. Let me show you exactly what it burns. 640 watts. So there you go. Nowhere near recommended wattage. So I'm just going to pause this. I'm just going to go out and show you the fence, and I want to show you the filter it came with. So this is the fence we put around it. So we just put a pool fence all the way around it. I wanted a fence all the way around, and you've got to have the things on the fence so the kids can't climb it. But anyway, there it is. That's it's tin, like gal, painted, not plastic anymore. That's plastic, but that's steel. That's steel, and the steel sides. You've got the base plate, that's plastic, and the rail that runs, that piece that runs around there, that's plastic, which the pool slots into. The ladder came with it. Ladder flicks up, so it's a safety ladder. You can lift this side up and it goes up in the air so they can't climb it. But, I'm just going to show you the other pump. So this is the other pump that it came with. This is a sand filter pump. We haven't used it, it's brand new. But you can just get it out of the box and show you. So this is it here. So that's the specifications. I googled, it's supposed to do about 3,500 litres an hour. And it also got, which I think is pretty cool, sand filter. So it's got back flush, got your pressure gauge, and all the bits and pieces. Just go back to the pool. Alright, so I'm just back here again. The reason I chose that combination of pump and filter is I wanted to cycle the water a lot faster than that other sand filter can do. Sand filter would probably take, because it's 3,500 litres, but that's at the head, that's not at the end of the pipes, so you lose a bit of pressure out of that, and plus you got to go uphill. It's not in ground, it's above ground. So that's why I wanted to go bigger pump, bigger filter. And so this pump does 15,000 litres at the pump, but that's going to obviously drop by the time it gets to the pool. Still, it would cycle the pool water in an hour. So I let it run for 2 hours regardless. I'm on solar here, so it doesn't matter. But I just wanted to plug that meter in and show you the wattage as well on that pump. It's, you know, 300 watts difference. That's a lot. But anyway, yeah, this pool, Bunnings don't sell this kind of a pool anymore. I don't know why. We must have bought the last one because we had to order it in. But yeah, we're just cycling it at the moment. So I've done a chlorine dose today. We'll get it tested 2 days time, and then we'll go from there. So it's 10,000 litre pool. Any questions you want to know, just ask, and I'll add to the comments, and I'll add my reply to the comments. I don't know what else to tell you about it, but good pool, easy to put up. We just made that we put crusher dust down first, then we added a tarp that comes with the pool, and I also added a weed mat under there. And as we put the pool together, down the bottom of the pool, like obviously right down in the corners, I added a nice curve all the way around the pool at the bottom, so it's not straight down to the ground, it's curved with sand. And I gave the base a bit of a sand, probably about an inch thick, just to give it some more protection for the liner. And then yeah, so this complete pool setup, running as you see it, with fence, pool fence inspection certificates, and the filter, the pump, everything you see, it was just over $3,000. It was about $3,100. So yep, that's, as we said, we put the pool up ourselves. It didn't take long, it was really quick and easy. It's got a nice height to the water as well. I've got the water about 3/4 up the skimmer, just so I don't want it sucking any air. It's a good height, 3/4. I like it. Plus it makes the pool a bit deeper. And yeah, so any questions, go ahead and ask. I'll do my best to answer it. I'll just show you the sticker that's on the on that filter, so you can have a look at the specifications on that, in case you ever want to buy one. So there's your 50 feet, 75, which we got, and then 100, and it tells you the size of the pools, what it's recommended up to. So we kind of should have gone 50, but there was $20 difference between a 50 and a 75, so I just went 75. And it will do up to a 65,000 pool. So if the pool ever shits itself, we've got the cartridge and the pump to continue on to the next pool, whichever one we decide to put in. But yeah, so there it is, and that's the PSI it's running. It was about 6 PSI, 7 PSI. So it's brand new. I only just turned it on probably an hour ago. And that's another thing you should remember to do, is when you do these joints, make sure you prime them. So this is a pressure one, so you won't see it on this one. This one's non-pressure, so I didn't worry about that side. This side's got high pressure. So I primed it with the pink, red, and then glued it with the green. So that way it just etches into the material better. So it's PVC pressure pipe. Another big thing, remember, you see this flange collar, you do it up, make sure you put it on before you put that on. So if you put that on, you can't get that on. So don't make that mistake. I'm just saying. Same with that one, make sure it's on. So if you take it off to glue it, just make sure that's on before you glue that in. Yeah, so there it is, our little oasis. See ya.